Joseph Windham-Ashe, born Joseph Windham, 1683–30 July 1746, was an English merchant and politician. He was the son of William Windham and the brother of William and Ashe. He was returned as MP for Downton between 1734–1741. He then became MP for Downton again, by election, on 4 January 1742 and held the seat until his death on 30 July 1746. He married Martha Ashe, the only surviving daughter and heiress of Sir James Ashe, 2nd BT, who had also been MP for Downton. Martha was also his first cousin, since James was brother to Joseph's mother Katherine Ashe. Windham took on his wife's surname Ashe, in addition to his own, as a condition of his grandmother-in-law Dame Mary Ashe's will, by a 1733 Act of Parliament. References